All Motors is the trusted platform where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and detailed breakdowns of the most advanced machines in the world, whether they rule the skies, the roads, or the seas. Today we dive deep into one of the most anticipated aircraft of the future, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, a next-generation Russian stealth interceptor that is drawing global attention for its futuristic design and groundbreaking performance capabilities. This aircraft is not just a continuation of the legendary MiG line but a step into the future of aerial warfare and defense systems. The Mikoyan MiG-41 is being developed as a replacement for the MiG-31 Foxhound, which has long served as Russia's high-speed interceptor. But where the MiG-31 was known for sheer speed and long-range interception, the MiG-41 takes the concept to a whole new level. Reports suggest that the MiG-41 will be capable of speeds exceeding Mach 4, pushing it into the hypersonic category. Such velocity would give it the ability to chase down even the fastest reconnaissance aircraft and potentially intercept hypersonic missiles, a capability that could shift the balance in aerial defense. One of the standout features of the MiG-41 is its stealth design. Unlike earlier interceptors, which focused primarily on speed and altitude, the MiG-41 incorporates radar-absorbing materials and a futuristic aerodynamic profile designed to reduce radar cross-section. This combination of stealth and extreme speed makes it a formidable opponent in contested airspace where detection and reaction time matter most. Analysts believe this aircraft will be able to operate effectively even in the presence of advanced NATO air defense systems, giving Russia a significant strategic edge. The aircraft is also expected to reach operational altitudes far above those of traditional fighters. Some projections indicate it could exceed 40,000 meters, allowing it to operate in near-space conditions. This high-altitude capability makes the MiG-41 not only an interceptor of aircraft but potentially a counter-space weapon, with the ability to target satellites and other high-altitude assets. If these features are fully realized, the MiG-41 will not just be an aircraft but a multi-domain defense platform. Powering such an ambitious machine requires next-level propulsion technology. Rumors point toward the use of advanced turbofan engines with afterburner capabilities and possibly even scramjet integration to sustain hypersonic speeds. This would allow the MiG-41 to maintain high velocity over long distances, a critical factor for intercept missions across Russia's vast airspace. The aircraft's range is speculated to be significantly higher than most conventional fighters, potentially surpassing 7,000 kilometers with in-flight refueling options. When it comes to armament, the MiG-41 is not being left behind. It is expected to carry advanced long-range air-to-air missiles such as the K-77M and even new hypersonic missile systems designed to hit targets hundreds of kilometers away. There are also discussions about directed energy weapons like high-powered lasers that could disable enemy aircraft or missiles mid-flight. While these concepts may sound futuristic, Russia has shown interest in laser technology, and the MiG-41 may serve as the platform where such advancements are field-tested. The cockpit design of the MiG-41 is expected to be highly digital with advanced avionics, artificial intelligence-assisted systems, and helmet-mounted displays for pilots. The focus will be on reducing pilot workload at extreme speeds, ensuring that human error does not compromise missions. Autonomous flight capabilities may also be integrated, allowing the MiG-41 to operate as a manned or unmanned system depending on the mission requirements. This flexibility makes it a future-proof platform that can adapt to different combat environments. Another crucial element is its survivability. The MiG-41 is projected to feature next-generation electronic warfare systems capable of jamming enemy radars, spoofing missiles, and defending against cyber-electronic attacks. Combined with its speed, stealth, and altitude, these systems ensure the aircraft remains a step ahead of adversaries. The significance of the MiG-41 cannot be overstated. For Russia, it represents not just an aircraft but a statement of technological power in a rapidly evolving defense landscape. For the world, it serves as a reminder that the race for aerial supremacy is entering a new phase, where hypersonic speed, stealth integration, and multi-domain capabilities define the battlefield. As the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 edges closer to reality, aviation enthusiasts, defense analysts, and rival nations are keeping a close watch. Whether it lives up to every claim remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the MiG-41 has already captured global imagination as a symbol of the future of air combat. That wraps up our deep dive into the MiG-41. If you enjoy detailed reviews of the world's most advanced machines, make sure to subscribe to All Motors for more insights, updates, and breakdowns of cutting-edge technology.